I am Mayor Carol Dutra-Vernaci. I'm recording from our Emergency Operations Center. As you can see behind me, I've got our organizational chart. More on that in a few minutes. This is the first in what will be a series of weekly messages as we work together to get through the coronavirus pandemic. It is real, and it is a threat to our community. I am worried, as I know you are, about our most vulnerable, our seniors, our homeless, and those with medical conditions. I can assure you that Union City's response to this virus is at the top of our agenda every day. We need you to practice social distancing, maintain the 6-foot separation. Stay home when you are sick, cover your cough, wash your hands frequently, and remember to use hand sanitizer. Everyone needs to do their part to save lives. The actions we are taking are difficult but necessary. Working together, we will make it through this. We, as a city, county, state, and nation, have never experienced a health emergency of this magnitude. We are all learning as we go about the disease. The family of coronaviruses has been around for some time. Some coronaviruses are common, like the ones that cause the common cold. Coronavirus disease 2019, or COVID-19 as you've heard it been called, is a new kind of coronavirus. The most common symptoms include fever, cough, and respiratory symptoms. Our experience to date is that most people, more than 80%, have mild or no symptoms, and some have had pneumonia. We are learning more about its transmission. Since the most common symptoms are respiratory, its primary mode of transmission is through coughing and sneezing. The Governor's Office of Emergency Services said that California is working closely with the CDC to request and receive more testing kits. The CDC has fulfilled those requests, and California will continue to request more kits. About the tests, California has 22 state and county labs currently testing. On March 22nd, 2 days ago, just over 26,000 tests had been conducted in California, including private and commercial labs. Over 13,000 have been reported to public health, and over 12,000 are pending. Last Monday, March 16th, Union City declared a state of emergency. As of Tuesday, March 17th, a shelter-in-place order took effect with the exception of essential services. At that time, we opened our Emergency Operations Center. The EOC allows the city to assess, plan, and prioritize activities that are of the utmost importance to Union City residents as the spread of this virus continues. Several city employees have been reassigned from their day jobs to now support the emergency operations. We started this emergency in a financial deficit, which means that we were already operating city services with a limited staff, and now we are working around the clock to manage the emergency with that same limited staff. Residents and businesses must understand that all activities related to the coronavirus must go through a strict vetting by our Emergency Operations Center because resources are limited. We also have concerns for our employees, many of whom come into work and risk their own health and safety. We ask that you be patient with us. We are making plans to mobilize support in Union City when the virus spreads. We have put a call into many of our local businesses to see if they are willing to donate supplies to us, including masks and gloves and other personal protective equipment. As an example, I got a couple of boxes of latex gloves from a Union City janitorial company and brought them in. If you or a local business you know can help, please call us at 510-675-5327 or fill out a form online at www.unioncity.org/coronavirus. We have been communicating and collaborating with our county, state, and national counterparts and agencies. The Alameda County Public Health Department is overseeing the county response. We have been talking with them to understand what the latest information is and what new measures are being put in place that impact Union City residents. We will share these updates with you. However, Please continue to watch or listen to your local news, as they have done a great job getting information out just as fast, if not faster. Governor Newsom secured a presidential major disaster declaration to support the state's COVID-19 emergency response. The League of California Cities is reviewing the declaration to understand what this means for us. We know families and seniors have been hit hard. You may be struggling with childcare or food or a loss of income and are worried about how you will pay for necessities. We are watching together to see how our federal, state, and county governments will help our families, our homeless, and our seniors, as well as our nonprofits, our small businesses, and even our local governments. Nonprofits are here to help feed those in need and help with so many other critical services, so please use them. If you are able to, please consider donating or volunteering to help our nonprofits. Another way to help would be to reach out to someone that is vulnerable and offer to pick up items at the grocery store or pharmacy and safely deliver them. We know that businesses are hit hard and have questions about what is considered an essential service. We urge you to go to our website, where we have shared information from the California, state, and Alameda County that defines what an essential business is. We have also shared information from the federal government, specifically news that they are implementing a plan for coronavirus-related leave for workers and tax credits for small and mid-sized businesses, and that the income tax filing due date has been extended to July 15th. We are continuously monitoring steps that the federal government is taking to protect businesses, and we will be sure to share that information with businesses as they become available. The California Office of Emergency Services has been working diligently with county representatives to gather data on the economic impacts coronavirus has had on small businesses in order to verify the need for a U.S. Small Business Administration Economic Injury Disaster Loan Declaration. The SBA has declared all California counties eligible for the loans. This SBA declaration makes available loans to impacted small businesses and nonprofit organizations. Yesterday, a national survey showed that Americans are increasingly looking to their state and local leaders to provide reliable information about the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. 3 days ago, only 5% of people named a local, state, and government officials as a preferred source of information. Yesterday, it was up to 26%. If you would like more information, go to www.unioncity.org/coronavirus for ongoing updates to the latest information. Call our phone lines at 510-675-5327 or email us at coronavirus@unioncity.org to share your concerns or ask questions. We will do our best to help you no matter what your questions are. That's it for now. Let's all work together, and please stay healthy.